Hello, my name is Paul Kostial, and I'm the founding partner of Kostial.com, Curry Kostial Partners. We're a community partnership, and we share assets that we believe are exceptional for people in today's society that need extra benefits financially, personally, professionally, all inside of wellness. And this one would fall inside my wellness bucket. I can totally vouch for Credit Blueprint. They're a very impressive company. Carl Scaramuza is a fantastic guy. He knows what he's doing. He's very experienced. They've served many, many customers. My direct account manager is named Tony, and she does a fantastic job. They keep me up to date. They tell me what's getting ready to happen next. And I don't feel like I'm going through a rabbit hole wondering what's happening. And it just seems to be a never ending saga. With Credit Blueprint, they're on it, they get it fixed, and they stay on top of it and keep you posted. I'm very impressed with them. I have no problem endorsing them, and I have no problem sharing them with my friends and also sharing it as an asset inside of Curry Kostial.